What's up guys, Earl here, Figa Tech, and our friends at OPPO challenged us to test out the OPPO Reno 2F's camera potential in a more creative way. So instead of just shooting photos, we're gonna be using this to shoot an unboxing. But not just any unboxing, a stop motion unboxing of the OPPO Reno 2F in Nebula green color. So that's it for this video. As you can see, we're able to shoot some pretty cool stop motion using the OPPO Reno 2F. So if you find this video entertaining or helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit figatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Arel. I'll see you guys in the next one.